Top 3 best brokers for cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency trading isn't just a trend, it's a global market moving billions every single day. But here's the challenge. Not all brokers give you secure, low cost and flexible crypto access. Some charge high fees, others limit coins, and a few lack the tools serious traders need. That's why today we're ranking the top 3 best brokers for cryptocurrency trading. By the end, you'll know which one fits your trading style and helps you maximize profit in the fast-moving world of crypto. Number 3, eToro. We start with eToro, one of the most popular global platforms for crypto. eToro allows trading in more than 70 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. The biggest advantage? Social trading. eToro lets you copy the strategies of top crypto traders with one click. It's like learning by doing, but with someone else's expertise guiding you. Their mobile-first design also makes it easy for beginners to get started. The downside? eToro charges spreads instead of commissions, and they can be higher than what you'll find on specialized exchanges. They also add withdrawal and currency conversion fees, which can eat into profits. Who's it for? Beginners and casual traders. If you want an easy entry point into crypto with the bonus of social trading, eToro is a great starting place. Number 2, Coinbase Advanced Trade. Next on the list is Coinbase, one of the most recognized names in crypto. In 2025, their advanced trade platform gives traders professional-grade tools like order books, real-time charts, and API access for automation. The advantage? Security and selection. Coinbase offers more than 200 cryptocurrencies, insured custodial wallets, and staking options for earning yield. It's regulated, trusted, and widely available in multiple countries. The drawback? Fees. While Coinbase has lowered costs over the years, it's still more expensive than low-cost brokers like IBKR or Binance when it comes to trading at high volume. Who's it for? Intermediate traders. If you want security, broad crypto access, and a balance between ease of use and professional features, Coinbase Advanced is the sweet spot. Number 1. Interactive brokers, IBKR. At number 1, we have Interactive brokers, and here's why it leads the list. Unlike most traditional brokers, IBKR has fully integrated cryptocurrency into its platform, offering Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more alongside stocks, ETFs, futures, and Forex all in one account. The biggest advantage? Ultra low commissions. Crypto trades at IBKR start at just 0.12% to 0.18% of trade value, which is significantly cheaper than Coinbase or eToro. Add in professional tools like Trader Workstation, advanced order routing, and multi-asset integration, and you get a crypto broker that feels truly institutional. The downside? IBKR doesn't yet offer the same massive selection of altcoins as dedicated crypto exchanges. It focuses on the biggest, most liquid coins. Who's it for? Serious crypto traders and professionals. If you want low costs, security, and the ability to manage both crypto and traditional assets in one platform, Interactive Brokers is the clear number 1. Final recap. So here's the breakdown. eToro is perfect for beginners who want social trading and simplicity. Coinbase Advanced is the choice for intermediates who want broad access and pro-level tools with top security. And Interactive Brokers takes the crown, offering ultra-low fees and professional crypto integration alongside global markets. The crypto world moves fast. The right broker doesn't just help you trade, it helps you trade smarter, cheaper, and with more confidence. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more. This video and all the content on this channel are for informational and opinion purposes only. They do not constitute financial, health, or professional advice.